right, folks, it's time for Random Rush. You know the deal. I listen to Rush Limbaugh for 60 seconds in a random basis. I respond in 90. It is now 12:54 p.m. on the East Coast.
End of the story, and you would start knocking down each state law, and eventually it would work its way up to the court. And if they use the same rationale, all those state laws will go bye-bye.
Right.
Now,
well, I mean, that's sadly, it's by design.
Yeah. I mean, this all they did yesterday in terms of not touching the states was sort of buy a little time, but it's a misnomer that it's not going to apply to the states.
Well, I know. The heritage people are simply saying that it doesn't yet. That what happened yesterday may have represented a desire, but it's not something that's been manifested yet. And so there's no, don't keel over and cave and think that it's over. But again, on the other side of that, who can argue with what a court does? For the Supreme Court, they're the final arbiter now. They determine what is and what isn't legal, what is and what isn't constitutional.
All right, so there's Rush Limbaugh trying to buck up the troops. Don't worry, there's still discrimination that exists in some states. We still don't have a non-discrimination laws in terms of being able to discriminate against the gay people in the workplace. We can hold on to those. So don't worry, buck up, everyone. The gays haven't won yet. They're not coming for your traditional marriage totally yet. But then he shifts, of course, into this notion of this surprise development that apparently now the Supreme Court is the final arbiter of the law in this country. When did this happen? When did this new thing arise by the liberals who created this Supreme Court? You see, he will not engage on the merits of any case, even the ones that he wins or loses. He certainly will ignore those that the Voting Rights Act. But now now we're back to the guys in the black robes who control everything. I really do think that Limbaugh is just basically biding his time before he knows that terrestrial radio business down the tubes, he's going to head into retirement. He can't even be bothered to work up something new for this. That's my time.
It's too bad that we missed Rush's passionate denunciation of the courts gutting the Voting Rights Act for the same reason.
Yeah, indeed. There's nothing you can do. 12 wearing dark robes.